Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's videos viewers I will show you driving scripts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, first make a beans music picture. Try a simple shape on a cardboard. It can be a flower, a butterfly, or a heart. Apply glue and place different beans on the design. Mix color and size to create a beautiful pattern. Next, create a bean flower art pieces. Draw flower on paper. Use beans to fill the pattern and the center. Let the glue dry completely. Your colorful flower artwork is ready to display. Another fun idea is decorating photo frame. Cover a plain frame with beans. Arrange them in a row, circle, or creative pattern. This project turns an ordinary frame into a unique decoration. And friends, my next idea is reverse how about a beans fair or water? Place dry beans inside a clear plastic bottle. Add colorful beads or small object. Close the lid tightly. Shake the water and enjoy the sound. Enjoy fun sound. And weavers. So friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon